Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video is our news of development. This is for H32B relay controller. We have improvement. The first one, we have support the MQTT by the Ethernet by LAN. Now you can set the MQTT settings in web page on Ethernet. The second, we have fixed a bug that MQTT by Wi-Fi can't use two controllers in one SIM network. So now is no limit. Many multi H32B controller can use in one SIM network by Wi-Fi or by Ethernet. And the third, we have changed and modified the out-of time of the relay. Because older version, we have updated out of time, the momentary work mode for the relay is from 1 second to 10 seconds. Now we extend 1 second to the 10,000 seconds. So about almost 3 hours delay time. If you can set the relay, it will out of almost 2 hours. And also you can set 20 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. It's all no problem. When the relay is on and off and on, just began on, and the calculate will be reset. Then will be calculate the time, delay time for you have preset. And the fourth, we have added a broadcasting command. That is for software engineer. You can send this command to find your device in local network. All H32B relay controller will be scanned and displayed on your computer. So this is search for your H32B device. It will be easily to find your device. Okay, you can download this new firmware from our website, from our phone, and just to upload and to update the firmware for the new functions. Okay, thanks for watching.